Hi guys, this is the Reese kit by Andrea Arcelo, and this is another kit that I'm gonna have. As you can see, his face is glossy because the paint was not dry. That's what she told me. I love the hand, and this baby's name's gonna be Phoenix Shane the second. He looks so like my boyfriend when he was a baby. And this is the kit, and I'm gonna have the plate with the boys part, which is not the plate that comes with the Reese kit, because I did want the boy part. So yeah. Now I'm gonna show you. Another kit I'm gonna have. So this is the George kit by Silver White. She's gonna be a girl with blue eyes. So this is my kit. And now I'm gonna show you. She's gonna have the same blue plate that Lenny has. And they so much look alike because it's the same artist. And the mouth and the nose is really look alike. So this is me. And the one I'm gonna have is this one. Yes, this is the Braden kit by Nicole J. Russell. So I finally found, no, I don't. My artist finally found a new kit for me, and the body, as you can see, is signed by Nicole Russell, and it is the number 47 out of, I don't know, but I know that he is a long time sold out kit. So this is the difference between the body of Braden, who is signed, and the body for Lenny. And this is my Braden. Yep. So I'm so excited about it. And I'm gonna have sorry for the shaking and the long time. After I'm gonna add this kit. As a girl, it's a big baby. She's 20 inches and she's gonna be about 6 pounds or much, like 6 and something. And she's gonna take a modified passy. So this is the kit, the Aiden kit by Donna Lee. This is a whip picture, but you can't see, but she has a little bit of veining. So this is Mackenzie. You can see here that she has a little bit of blue and a couple of veining. And you can see that she has a little bit of veining right there and in her hand. So yeah, that's all my babies that I'm gonna have. And now I'm gonna show you one of my boys. So this is Jaden. He is 8. I know that you can really see him. He's such a funny little boy. Just the face that he made, that he makes. It's so funny. Look at this. I look like a little frog guy that he's got. It's just like the worst. Look at his skin too. Look at his eyebrows. Just like me. Okay, so this is me. Now I'm gonna show you my 3 boys. If I can find, yeah, the picture. my three boys. This one is Diego Samuel. He's gonna be 13 tomorrow. This is Zachary Raphael. He is 11. And this is Jaden. And he is 8. So this is my two brothers with one father. And with another father, which is not my boyfriend. So this is me with my three boys. This is Diego, this is Zachary, and this is Jaden. This is me with my three oldest, Diego and Zachary. And this is my three boys together, Diego,